Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. This is my ASUS ROG G731GU 2019. Today I want to make a speed test between the newest beautiful software, best software for video editing. This is Premiere Pro and Davinci Resolve. What is the first? Do you want that I open this beautiful challenge with Davinci Resolve is here 16.1 or Premiere Pro 2020, okay, as you can see. What is the best between? I want to show you. Okay, start this challenge to open Premiere Pro first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it. Look at that. Opening. You can make your corner. Now let's go to see. Look at that. The opening. Okay. Ooh. Speed test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! It's open, bro. Wow. The opening of the new Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. It's so amazing. It's so unbelievable. Look at all new features into. Look at that. Great. Look at what you can do. Amazing. So nice. So great. Wow. And you can open now your project and enjoy yourself. Wow, the opening of the Premiere Pro 2019 on this laptop, on this beautiful gaming laptop, is amazing. As you can see, it's one of the fastest software for video editing that you can have right now. This is so great. It's so nice. Look at that. Okay, now you can close this beautiful software and get ready. Now let's open the next Davinci Resolve 16 speed test. Opening just now. Click on enter and look at on your screen. Get ready. Chrono activate. Let's go. Davinci Resolve 16.1 is here. The new update. Okay, launch. Get ready from that. Let's get ready. Look at that. Okay. It is done. What is the best? Who is the best? As you can see, it's not opening right now. Why? Oh. Loading. Media. Loading edit page. Flight page. Loading flight page. Oh. What do you think? It's not open. Ooh, it takes its time. This is not great. Good. The speed test. Oh no. What do you think, bro? It's not opening right now. I want to make a job. What's wrong with you? My video editing. Bro, as you can see. Wow. It's so slow. What's wrong with you? It's not opening. What? Look at that. The opening of this software for video editing is so slow, bro. It's not fast. What do you think, bro? What do you think? What's wrong with you? What? This is not great for me. But this software for video editing is one of the best that you can have on the market right now, because they are not crash, and the colorimetry is amazing colors for you. You can do what you want with this. There are amazing features into. There are not crash light Premiere Pro. This is the difference between. Okay, wonderful. Now, what is the best for you? As you can see, this is a 2019 gaming laptop with the Intel Core i7 9th generation Pro GeForce GTX 1660 Ti. What wrong with you? What wrong with you, bro? What do you think? This is one of the best laptops that you can have right now, and the racing result is not fast. The SSD, a beautiful SSD into. What do you think, bro? This is not normal. Let me show you, bro. Look at that. 9th generation Intel Core i7. This is amazing. With the new and best NVIDIA graphic card GeForce GTX 1660 Ti. What wrong with you? What wrong with you? I can't believe this, bro. I can't believe this. Look at that. Amazing laptop. Wow. What is the best between the racing results and Premiere Pro for you, bro? Let me know what you think about this under this video right now. I want your answers right now. Subscribe, like, and share, and get ready for the next video. I want to make another video with Adobe After Effects, if you like. If you give me 100 like just right now, I will make this for you. Okay, don't worry. I will make this for you. Subscribe to the next video. Let's do this. Let's go. Wow, this laptop is amazing. It's beautiful. You can buy this right now. What do you think? Let's do it.